Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. Today's not going to be a long video. It's just a short video really to say thank you for all your subscriptions throughout the year. Thank you for following the channel. And just give you a heads up really of what's happening next year. I've got a few ideas, but roll the intro and I'll tell you all about it. So, like I just said, I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I've only been doing this for just under a year, and I've managed to get 300 people subscribed to my channel, which I am elated with, if I'm honest. I never expected to get 300 people following my prattling about on a motorbike. I know you gain some subscribers and you lose some subscribers. I mean, over the last year, I think I've lost maybe 5 people. Five people. But I've also got, like I said, 300 of you following me. Now, I know that compared to, a lot of channels, 300 people is nothing. But for someone who started YouTube with no idea what I was doing, all I knew is that to have a camera, a motorbike, and I just wanted to talk to a camera, I'm really pleased, really pleased that I have ended up with 300 people at the moment that want to see me, like I say, prattling about on a motorbike. So thank you so much. If it wasn't for you guys following my channel and commenting, talking to me, it would be pointless making YouTube videos. I really do enjoy doing it, and it just makes it all the better when I have people like yourselves who leave me comments, have a chat to me. I always try and get back to every comment I get. But yeah, it's been a bit of a roller coaster, this whole YouTube channel thing. There's been a few times where I thought, nah, it's not for me. Kept losing footage. I had camera issues. Went on a couple of tours on the bike. Couldn't make any videos out of them because of said camera issues and whatnot. So yeah, I mean, it's been testing. But like I say, I do enjoy doing it, and just the fact that the videos I have made, I have had interactions with you guys, and it pretty much makes it worthwhile doing, really. So yeah, thank you very much, and I really hope you stick around and continue nattering to me, because I have no friends. You are my only friends. Obviously, I'm joking. I do have 2 or 3 friends, I think. Anyway, talking about 2023. I have decided that January I'm going to have a bit of a break from YouTube. If you know the UK, the weather in January, February, March, April, May, June. No, ultimately, sort of January, February time, the weather is pretty naff. So getting out on the bike is going to be more limited. I won't stop riding through the winter months. I will still ride. I just won't be able to get on the bike as much as I would do during the summer months. So it'll be a little bit harder to make content. So I'm just going to have to grab days here and there. So I thought if I have January off, get Christmas and sort of the beginning of the year out of the way, hopefully I'll have some videos to put up starting on the 6th of February with my first video back. So ideas for 2023 then. There's a lot of talk of going back to Yorkshire, a lot of talk going back to Wales. There's talk about going to Scotland, Isle of Man, Isle of Wight. There is talk about going abroad, but I really don't think that's going to happen next year, just mainly because of my own personal commitments. Getting abroad for a biking holiday probably isn't going to happen. I'll never say never, but I'm definitely going to get away at some point next year on the bike. I thoroughly enjoyed this year. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, I couldn't record anything for you because said issues, but I think I might have found my way around that. So hopefully I will get some footage for you. As well as the tours I've obviously just spoken about, I will continue making videos of my solo rides, rides with the group I'm going with, the OTT East Coast rides. I'm not going to call them the OTT East Coast rides anymore because they're now my friends. Oh, biker friends. But yeah, they're I'm going to class them as my friends now, just a group of people that love going out on their bikes, and so do I. So yeah, I'll just say from now on, I'm going out with my mates. Told you I have mates. Also, what I'll do is anything I buy throughout the year, because I'm a biker and I'll always find excuses to buy stuff. Even if I don't necessarily need it, I'll probably just buy it anyway. And if I think it's worth making a video about, then I'll make a video and let you know. I'll sort of do a few bits of kit reviews. I'm contemplating buying heated gear. I've got a few bits that I currently have that I may make some videos for next year that I think we might find interesting. But yet to be decided. If I do decide to make them, you'll see them on the channel next year anyway. So keep an eye out for them. So that's pretty much it, guys, really. Like I say, it wasn't going to be a long video. It's literally just a massive thank you to you guys. Give you a sort of a rough idea of my plans for next year. Like I say, at the moment, it's all a bit up in the air. There's nothing been concreted in. But I can definitely tell you, I will definitely bet on my bike as much as I possibly can be, because I absolutely love that XR. I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. Such an old saying, isn't it? It's the best thing since sliced. I think it's the best thing since. It's just really, really good. So after you've seen this video, there is one more video scheduled for 2022. Let you into a little secret. That next video you'll see, I say in it, welcome back to this place. I didn't go back. I was already there. It just last minute decision to do said thing in video. It makes no sense now, I know, but if you watch the video before this and then watch the next video after this, that'll make sense. But anyway, guys, I suppose I should really finish the video on saying Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope you have an amazing time with your friends and family. I hope you get lots and lots of biking gear, because that's pretty much all I've asked for, is lots of bike gear. And I shall see you in 2023 on the 6th of February for my first video of the year. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Hope you have a fantastic holiday season, and I shall see you in 2023. Catch you later.